बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्वेश्चंस आपके आए थे बड़े सारे, स्पेशली फ्रॉम द पेशेंट्स फ्रॉम यूके एंड कनाडा। उन्होंने फीमेल पेशेंट्स ने क्वेश्चन किए, तो उनको मैं आई वांट टू आंसर देम अबाउट eyebrow hair transplant. They were asking a few ladies, two from UK and one from Canada. They were asking about eyebrow transplant surgery. It is not so common, and everybody should not be going for this eyebrow hair transplant surgery, because this is very special procedure and needs a special expertise and a special doctors who've been doing this procedure, because everything, each and every step in eyebrow hair transplant matters lots. You are giving some sort of artistic look and a natural look on the face, and eyebrow, it is having many things in it, because in every step, in everything, the angle and direction of the hair changes from here to there, changes from here to there. And while the most important step in this hair transplant, eyebrow hair transplant, is natural looking lines, natural looking marking. And if you are not expert in this kind of artistic work, this needs some sort of, I would say, very smart surgeon to do this eyebrow hair transplant surgery for ladies especially, because thing is, they are very much interested in having a very good look, very natural look, a smart look on the face, and it will prevail for her whole life. You can give a smart change, you can give a bad change at the same time. So when you are selecting a doctor for yourself, especially for eyebrow hair transplant surgery, you need to select a very good expert in this field, because I may be the only doctor in this region doing eyebrow hair transplant surgery in Islamabad. The thing is, why I'm interested in doing hair transplant surgery and eyebrows. I have done many eyebrow hair transplant surgeries to many famous ladies, and why they do come to me, because to have a very smart and natural look for their eyebrow surgery. So whenever you are looking for eyebrow hair transplant surgery, you must be looking for an expert doctor who been doing this eyebrow hair transplant surgery for years, and he is having some aesthetic sense in this, in doing hair transplant surgery. I will show, this is actually a marking drawn by me on this lady. I have done some artwork to hide the identity of patient, so that it should not be visible to anybody who is watching this video. But what I want to show is proper lining of the eyebrows. When you are doing the surgery in this area, you need to be very expert in giving some anesthetic in this area as well, because this is very sensitive area. If you're gonna damage any nerve in this area, that will be like another a disaster for this beautiful lady. And especially when you are dealing with eyebrows hair transplant, you keep in mind you are giving some sort of very expert outcomes, like to very smart and beautiful ladies. So you should be very careful in doing hair transplant surgery on eyebrows. Another picture, I will show you another picture. Let me show you the other one. What I want to show, look at this angle. It is looking, I have constructed the whole area, she was missing hair in this eyebrow. So I constructed a new lining, new marking for herself, and this is exactly fitting on her face very beautifully, and she is ultimately the happiest person on this earth. I will show you the other picture, the same one, and now look at this. This picture is after giving anesthesia and making slits. You see, you will not see a single mark on this area, and angles are transforming from here to there and here to there. You see, everything is in very good natural look. Let me show you the other pictures. This one, the same one, the same one. Thank you very much.